All right, let's get it. Let's see what we got. SER looking pretty interesting here at the open. We're seeing some volume. I'm gonna take a test straight here. Nice, okay. SUN as well. We have a target on SER. Quick target 247. Let's see how we do here. So very bullish at the open. So we're seeing the past few days extreme bullishness at the open, followed by nothing like after like 10:30 or 11. So we're gonna take a dip here. Might fold 25. What's this low here? 12. So sweet dip. So I didn't mark that low, so this is 8. This is the low, that's 20. Oh, I gotta size down on the, so I gotta size down on the gap and goes and size up on my gaps. That's the way to do it. So that way I'm able to take a trade here. Because gap and goes carry more risk, more reward. So we'll see. So here we go. Can we get a dip 20 to 12? I'll take 2K. See how well it wants to follow that. It's trending higher. As well, this one is doing. SUNE. Right. So we got these two, so roughly around the same price. What's the deal here? We'd like to see this under 20, stop around 12. LUNL. 20, there are buyers at 20. Level 2 showing buyers. CHNR. The 2 showing buyers. Oh, here we go. 07. 12. 10. There are 2 stocks that look pretty good. CHNR. LNKS. LITX. MUU. Yeah, let's take it 10. Nope. Ah, all right, fine. Basically at 12 here. LNKS. 15. AGR. CHNR. LITX. 7. If it can bounce a 7, yeah, I'm out. Okay, choppy there. Okay, good. So now here 30 is going to hold because we didn't go into. So my second trade here, let's see this. 30 better hold. Yeah, this is going to hold. Pushing it. Nope. quick because I'm in pretty high, so it needs to hold 30 here. Needs to hold 30. No, doesn't hold 30, 29. Yeah, sadly this one didn't work too well. I thought it would hold 10. Didn't end up holding 10. Took some off at 15. But the main let's see, 15 and then 07 basically, but I got in at 12. Only got out like 600 500 shares at 15. Didn't get out much at 15. It's all right. This was a little choppy, so here we have a, no, not yet. Here we go, so we can get a dip here. Below 20, I would ideally want this below 20. CHNR. They're both pretty, these two are pretty sloppy. CHNR. Looking for that dip under 20. Stop at 12. There you go, 17. In at 19. In at basically 20, bro. Ah, that's horrible. Horrible fail here. 14, 15. Okay, I'll get out here for a small loss. I'll try one more time here. Let's see. We're in this gap, but the low it is 12, 13. Eesh. Okay, I got a really bad fail there. 19. I thought it would bounce pretty quickly. No, getting a little cooked here in the morning. We'll wait. We'll stay patient. This dip could also work. So I might try it again here as I see that there are buyers holding it up here. Okay. Buyers did hold it up. Okay, here we go, 216. $20. I'll take 18. I'm in at 19. 16 could be a good stop, or 17, around 17. This could be good. Let's see it. I'm seeing some green here. Would like for this to push, or at least hold 18, 17, 21. So right on that micro pullback I got in. Looking for this to get a nice move through. 18 holding strong. This gap and go. Let's see. Yep. Let's do it. Back to 20. Getting a little bit too. Okay. All right. I need to slow down. I need to slow down. Today doesn't seem to be the day. I'm down 250 already. All right, we're gonna have to size down 227, 230. Will we be able to see this push? We're gonna have to size down, man. We took that loss right there, 18, 19 to 14. So let's size down a bit and see what we can do here. We're gonna have to keep it tight because these two are kind of trading very similarly. If they don't, okay, nice. Okay, nice. That worked. Sort of. Back to 31. Maybe that would have worked a bit. I'll wait for a better setup, honestly. Taking 5 trades and they're all losses, basically. I'm liking that it reclaimed 30 here. If it could reclaim 30, what is that, 29? So I like that it reclaimed 30.
SIG, BLTH, KLC, BETA.
Yeah, I like that it reclaimed 30.
LNKS.
I don't have a strong setup here. I just like the fact that the algos are keeping it high.
LNKS.
No. Back to 25, yeah. So now I need to be careful. I took, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades.
WSM.
Back into this gap. You see, the gap worked well. I got in too soon, got out 16. Then I moved to another stock and took a loss. But this gap was better. This gap was definitely better. You know, we're gonna hold again this gap. 12. I won't rush it this time.
LNKS. AOS. AOI. LDX. LXTR.
Yeah. All right. We'll wait. All right. So this thing, if we get back over 30, it could be a really great trade here. Algos suppressed it. Didn't want it to get on 30. So once it starts holding 30 for a couple of seconds, I think we're going to see a nice push.
AOS.
So sizing down, obviously, sizing down on the gap and goes. I forgot to size down here. Should have sized down on this gap and go.
GDXD. SMS. URR. SNXX. AIAI. CRCA.
SMS.
GDSD. DWSN multi-film. UOU. LITS. Agent Q. NBIN.
RDP.
UON. URR. LITS. SNX.
That's right. There's another space.
OUU. OUI. Agent Q. UUS.
RDP.
NBIN. LITS. SNXX. NBUS. AOI. Agent Q. UUS.
DWSN.
NUXT. SOTY.
RDP.
UOS. VEU. LITS. Sex. UOI. LSTX. LSTI. AGQ. UUS.
MOBX.
AOI. NEXT. PURI. LITS. VEU.
MA Music.
SATY. ASTX.
All right, I'm gonna give this one more shot here. Just able to hold around 210. Could get interesting. Otherwise, we're looking for maybe a dip here, 206 or $2.
UG.
MA Music.
And this gap here,
SWWI.
or a gap reclaim on this one, which I would hope is a gap reclaim. Honestly, this would be a little too much. Coming down here would be too much. So we'll see. Over 212. Come on. We got 15 seconds here. If not, we might take a dip down 206, 299.
SWWI.
All right, looks like we held VWAP. So let's see. 11. Yeah, I'll take 11. Yeah. Don't break 10. Don't break 10, brother.
IMPS. SWWI.
Don't break 10. Break 10.
WT.
I'll size down here, 1K. Okay, or maybe size down a little too early. This is good. 12 again, 14.
SWWI.
A lot of weakness, but I think it could probably work. All right. Nope. Taking that loss. Gonna take that loss. Shoot. Look good. I wanted to hold. I wanted that green to persist and hold and bring me some more volume. Maybe I gotta give it a more room. What is that low? 8? No. Down quite a bit already, 260. Good low though, good low. Look at that, 17. So just gotta make sure it doesn't break 10. Oh darn it. Okay. The trade is here, the trade is here. Just have to stand the volatility. Understand that it might retest these lows or 8 and be okay with that. All right, let's say we make it a nice move here. 215. What do we get here? In 1 minute, unexpectedly came all the way up here. Let's see how well we can continue this move. It might be fast, knowing how eager the bulls are to get a good trade in. It might be pretty quick, so let's see. 19 is this level. Dip. 2, 20, 20. Retest 20 one more time. I'll take 21. Ooh, 20. All right, I guess you're right. Retest the 20 one more time. And at 22. 24. I need this now. Volume, good, 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 good. Looking for this volume to pick up. 26. Staying patient here. Stop is going to be flat at 22. Yeah, flat 22. Flat at 22 again. So maybe we get a dip to 15, 16, under 20 on that gap. I'll size up on that gap. Let's see. Give a dip under 19. Stop at 15. Twenty. 20 seems to be holding strong. We'll see.
That's the makes sense. Now I change that.
I see a dip 19, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18,
That's good and usually right.
17, 17, 18 and a half. All right, fine. Just don't trust this thing whatsoever, bro. I really don't trust this thing.
Now I change that. And it's 2.
I don't trust this thing at all. 19 and a half. Oh,
Which one is it?
what now?
When you win.
Sort of like a top of the gap setup here. All right, looks like I should have trusted that one. So far, it looks like
Yes, that makes sense.
it's working. 21, 22.
And it's 2. That's better than the one.
It's moving so weird.
When you win. ACXP.
Receive XP.
ACXP.
Nice. Nice, nice dip. Okay, good. 22 now.
And it's 2.
Receive XP.
Yes, that makes sense.
21.
And you win.
W18.
Oh, I mean, my entry was 18.
And it's
High
2.
that was 25, probably out 24, 4 cents. Back to 17, 12. Jeez. Look at that. I'm right not to trust this thing.
Receive XP.
Awful stock. Oh, 60, 99.
And you win.
W18.
Hmm. So we eventually took a dip here. Just saw this at 203. Very beautiful bounce to 219, 223. Wondering if this is going to be a good move here. We'll take it. We'll take 1K here, 213 stop. So if we get a dip here, that would be sweet. Sweet dip. Oh, 12. All right, fine. I'll get in 13. 17. Choppy, eh? 18. 19. Okay, good. Should I take 19? It's a pretty good spot to take some profit. We'll see. I want to look for a bigger move here. I want to see this back at 13. I had a pretty good exit there at 19, but we'll give it some time. We'll give it some time. Considering how choppy it is, I should probably take the, okay, green, 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 green. Staying patient here. There we go, green. 17, 18. Ugh, that's kind of annoying, but that's okay. But a good, potentially right there 19, but just wanted to get some more, you know? I think it might have been, it might be one of those days where you just gotta take your 5, 6 cents, huh? No continuation, pretty choppy stock. Looks like we have MOBX here. 200 at 65.
Oh,
65, eh? $64. Oh, don't know if I want to take this here. Kind of high. Was looking for it to enter the gap here. Didn't do it. Nice dip, 60s. 5 cents. Maybe you get a little extra squeeze here. 64, 63. No. Rejecting the highs. Rejecting 65. Hmm. We'll see what it wants to do. I mean, there's a huge 5 minute gap here. Made a nice move. Somebody called it out while it was at VWAP. I didn't pay attention to it. Turned out to be pretty good. All right, well. Fifty-five is the high. Will it keep going? 64, dipping, 63. New 5 minute coming soon. Ooh, this 5 minute candle is gonna turn red. Nope. Ideally, it remains green, and the next 5 minute goes red, and we get a nice pullback. The next 15, 20 minutes. So we get a nice pullback here, maybe to 59 slowly. $61 to 59. 61 to 59. Let's see. So don't have a trade anywhere here. We'll wait for a dip. Wait for a dip. So 63 here. You could see a good push. 5 minute. Thought it would turn red, but it got bought up. Price got bought up here. So now we're looking for a push. We're looking for a breakout. Back to 62. Eesh. Yeah, it's getting shorted. So it's SSR. So it's getting shorted on the upticks. Shorted on the upticks. That means we're gonna have a little trouble breaking through 65. No, not quite, not quite ready for me. This one at 213 could be a good spot. I'm just thinking this thing is gonna squeeze, man. It's just such a prime spot for a squeeze. 65, okay. This also my squeeze. We may see a nice move here. It keeps going. If it keeps going, might be good. 50, 50, 50, 47. No, not strong enough. Oh, back over 50. All right, let's do it. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 60. Go, 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 go. 63. 64. 65. No. Out. Not strong enough yet. Seems like. Looking for that squeeze. Looking for that squeeze. Okay, this one. Nice little dip there, 15. 5 minute gap and go here. Could be interesting. This one's also brewing up. Not yet, not yet. $200. They might get squeezed to the 200, so MOBX is still in play. Still in play. Still in play. Interesting setup here from 63. Hell, there's a hair thin gap here. Okay, this is what I'm looking for right here. 18. This has the look of a squeeze. So we'll see here. Let's get a shake out, shake people out here. Let's get a nice little shake out here. 22 holding. Well, that is 18. 21, 20. Hidden buyers. 19. 8. I'll take 18. Tight stop. Super tight stop. 18. 18 could be good. That's a lot of gap. Good. Back to 20. Nice. 22. This could squeeze, man. This could squeeze. It's at a good spot for a squeeze. All right, 3 seconds here. I'm gonna hold, see what this brings. Hopefully a push. A push through. Push to 30. Stop is sort of flat at 19. Needs to go here, needs to go. I'm taking it out, 22, 23. Don't like the volume. It's already halfway through the minute and there's not enough volume coming through it. But if it's going to hold, holding though, it's holding. Back in. Back in. Yeah. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, no, thank you. Oh, wow. This thing is nuts. This thing is crazy. This thing wants to squeeze more. Okay, 65. Is this going to be here? 64. Yeah, this thing wants to squeeze actually. So let's do MOBX here. I'm ready, I'm ready. 3K on the gap and goes. If there is a gap, let's see how well this is gonna form. 3K looking for faster solution. If I get a high fill, I'm looking for faster solution. If it doesn't dip, yes, 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 yes. Skip, 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 skip. 66. Hold 66. Nope. Don't hold 66. Holding 66. Oh, out right there. Held 66. Not holding 66. Holding 66. What's the deal here? Short sellers could get squeezed here. All right, gap. Let's get into this gap. 65 to 64. 100% I think we can get into this gap. Come on. Below 65, 70. Would love to see this nice into this gap and a nice reclaim. Come on, you can do it. Risking about 1 cent, cent and a half, perhaps. You could potentially see a nice breakout. Ah, dang it. So, not a chance to get into this gap, huh? Not a chance, not a chance, not a chance. Looks like we may get a nice push here. 67. 67. Rejection there. Do we get a dip into the gap here? 10 seconds for the next 5 minutes. Would love to see a dip into this gap. Come on. Stop at 64. Come on, come on. Dang. Not a chance. Don't want to do it. I think I've noticed SSR stocks don't dip like that. Let's see. Don't really dip that way, but we'll see. This one might. 65. Barely dipped into it. Barely, man. Barely touched that gap. I was looking for a little bit more on that dip. Seeing what exactly we could get. $67, $68. We could give a nice dip. It gave sort of a double bottom. Looking for a nice dip. Still not too late yet, I think. I think we could see a dip. I wish this was a little lower, in at 64, 65 here. Take it for the reclaim. I don't know, we'll get a dip, but we're gonna get the breakout of 67, 68. Just the full 68. $56. Hmm, kind of a little dip there, but yeah, this is like not convincing yet. I need to see that dip into the gap where my strategy tells me that the algos are sitting. So the algos are sitting by the gap. So let's see how much we can dip. 68, 58 rather. Top of the gap again, or what? Let's see how well this holds. 64 area. Dang, 60, 65, 7 is holding strong. E, there you go. There's a seller there. Jeez. Yeah. Anyways, it held for a second. I noticed a seller. I got out. Small loss. Yeah. Whatever, man. Needs to grab liquidity down here. Oh well. Worth the shot there. But what are you gonna do? 61 to 59. I would grab it 59. See if we get under 60. Under 60, under 60. Under 60. Under 60, yeah. It gave under 60 a little bit there. Good, that would have been 1 cent there. Oh well. Ah, dang it, I should have taken that. 59. Hesitating on that too. What's it gonna be? One more time? Does it want to go lower? Looks like it wants to go lower. Hmm. Yeah. This is a this is a buy right here. Have to buy right here. That's a buy area for me. Overlapping gaps. That's definitely a buy area. This thing should have failed a long time ago, but it's still holding interestingly well. I wonder what's going to happen here. So 13 is that low. 15 is here. It's always climbing back up, getting shorted. Climbing back up, getting shorted, but it's got to work at some point. At some point, it's got to do it. You know, we got lots of liquidity down here. We tapped into it. Now we gotta move to some area of liquidity. It's either gotta be up all the way up here to 47. No major red gaps here. So I'm still thinking we can squeeze, man. I'm still thinking there's some shorts getting stuck. So let's watch it here. 13. We may get a spike of volume through here. If 13 doesn't want to break. 13 doesn't want to break. Let's see 13. 13. 13, 13. Could be interesting here.
Mm.
13 on that little gap, which VWAP is right there. If it's going to fail, I feel like if it's going to fail, it's going to fail here. But if it's not, we might reverse. Interesting area. 5 minute trying to make a new low, or it's making a new low here. But there's a gap here. I'm thinking there might be some algo sitting at 13, 12. We already hit this once here. So we're stair stepping up 12. Okay, no. No, it's at 12. Okay. Almost took it at 13. Close to taking it. Back over 13. 12. I mean, there's another little gap here where it bounced at 12. Thirteen again. Don't know if it's the one, actually. You know, I might be pushing this trade. Might be pushing it if I take it here at 13. Might be pushing it here at 13. Now, there it is, 15, 16. Well, when you see that, that's nice. Okay, well, okay. So good, we got the confirmation there. We got the confirmation there. So what now? What now? Got the confirmation.
We see that.
You see that.
I would invite. We see that sponsored to the website.
15, 16. Need more volume. Okay, this could be the spot now. This could be the spot here. So 17 is that spot. Increasing green volume, I like it.
You see that.
So I'm gonna take it here. 18 by 19. Basically 19. We may go to 17 here. That's okay.
We see.
2 cents, 2 cent loss. But I'm thinking we may see a good move here all the way up to, there we go. Nice. Please, can I get this algo squeeze? That would be sweet. Back to 18. Still all right. Still all right. Might do a silly shake out here. Go to 17 and back to 19. So stop is the break of 17. Nice, 19, 20. Back to 8, back up to 9, back to 18, 19. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Nice, interesting, interesting. Come on.
CXP.
ACXP.
There it is, 22. You need to hold 20 now. An algo squeeze here would be freaking awesome. Would be freaking awesome here. I'm in at a great spot. Algo squeeze.
ACXP.
ACXP.
Are we ready to see an algo squeeze? I'm ready to see an algo squeeze here. I'm taking in 19. If it comes back down to 19, ideally holds 20, and algo start kicking in at 20. Full reversal to 18, I gotta get out. That's my risk right there. It's a very good spot. Very good spot. 23.
ACXP.
Don't want to go yet, but I'll take a break even.
ACXP.
I don't mind. So I think it could do an algo squeeze here. I need to see more green. I need to see more buyers coming in here. There's a new gap being formed right there. Mm, 21, 20. Bounce of 20. Good place for buyers to get in here. 19 again. Bro, you got to bounce here, man. Bounce. All right. Out. What a what a stock worth. Ah, such a good trade I had. Out basically flat. Such a good trade. 23. That's crazy, bro. All right, well, out, bounced again. 2021.
LU and L.
All right. Look what we got here. It held. Continue to hold. 18, 17. 17 held. Could potentially give a breakout. We have ACPX as well. Oh my, 10-cent spread. You're joking. Oh, This is gonna be a pretty nasty one here. Maybe finally we get this dip. Size up on the dip below 7. Looks pretty interesting. It's made an interesting move. It loves to dip. This is a nice dip and a reclaim. Low volume. More volume here. Ooh, very little volume. Nope. 800 shares. I could lose 20 cents on it if it decides to flush aggressively. Stop on that will be 85. $85. All right, looks like we're holding 21. This is about a crash, man. Oh, that's the algo squeeze I wanted to see. That's so frustrating, bro. That's so annoying. It happened out of nowhere. That's crazy, bro. Straight down. I tried it here. Did not fail in these 2 attempts. Nice gap. Almost took it at 20. Let's looking at it. Beautiful 10 cents on that. Just 10 cents.
As you are.
27 to 21. That's kind of frustrating, but part of the game, right? Part of the game. Okay, here we go. Dip under 7.
You see that's not a digit. How do you hard? I think that they will. I think I'm going to say. How do you hard? I think I'm going to.
If I could see a dip, 30s wants to hold. Shorts could be in trouble. Shorts could be in a little trouble here.
LITX. LITV.
Deep to 28. Did not even get a chance to see it. So algos are sitting right under 30. Sure to get another squeeze here. Some more buyers start picking this up.
LITV.
Pick that up 92. Bounce, bro. Bounce now. Bounce now. I need to see a bounce here over 7 now. I need to see a bounce right here. Nice. Good. Come on, let's see it. This other one is going. I like this one better. 34. Thirty seconds here. Come on. Oh, you son of a god. Oh my gosh, bro. Ah, son of a gun, bro. Like, I knew this was going to happen. Like, I knew. Ah, brother. Shorts are gonna get squeezed, man.
That's evil.
Yeah, I got no. Top of the gap. Top of the gap. Has to be. 30 has to be 30. I gotta be watching 30. 30, 30, 30. Take a trade right here. This happens every now and then. I see this setup here. Move. Does not get we do not get into our gap. Algos are sitting right above the gap. 0 cent right here, 230. Then what? Squeeze. What now? Instead, I took a $600 share here.
That's evil.
Hey, this one at least got into my gap, so I was more inclined to take this one. This one. SCR. I got no business up here, man. Really no business up here. If it could have waited like a little bit more, 20 more to, like for the end of the candle, and then on the next candle go. All right. I guess beggars can't be choosers, huh? What? Flush. Can I see a flush to 39? I'll take that. I'll take a flush to 39. If this keeps squeezing, why not? I think we saw two. Wow. They're not getting a break now. Won't get a break? Fine. I'll jump in here. Tight stop. Looking for this to squeeze. Stop 57. Jumping in here. Let's see this. 63. Can I finally get a good play here? 60. 64. Yeah, let's do it. 65. Eee, no, 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 no. Ah. Ah. Lost 3 cents on that. All right. Looking for that third squeeze. Look good, but nah. It's like like I said, no business up here, right? No business up here. But it wants to give such an annoying dip, like to 57. That's actually the low of the gap, so we have a dip here. Could be a hard sell-off, or it could be a place to buy for a nice little bounce. 47, 48. Honestly, I will keep it pretty tight here. 47, 48. If this thing wants to hold here. Dang. All right, missed my entry right there. 48. Okay, this still red. This thing is still looking for a bounce. Surprisingly, came down here, didn't go higher. All right, here we go, 48. Maybe we'll get it lower. 49, 43, 40 is that low. $47, $46. Doesn't want to go to 47, 46. Okay, here we go, 47. May hold this level. 46, 46, 47. Yeah, let's do it. I'll take it 48. Looking for a good bounce here to maybe 51, 52. What is this gap right here? What's it high? 52. 52. Come on, brother. No bounce. Looking for that a little quicker. I'm at the lows here. Nice. I guess it did it there. Anyway. Don't have the conviction to hold. Lower. I know when I have a good entry in my hands. I know when I have a good entry in my hands. So let's see. $46 again. 45. 44. 43. 43. Hard to say. 43 again. 44.
嗯。
Overlapping gaps. There's a lot of selling, but it seems to be holding up. 44. 43. 44, I mean. Okay. That worked there. 40, 45, 46. I just gotta be patient. Take it. Back to 45. A little choppy. Back to its choppy nature. Will we get at least a good bounce? I want to see a good bounce. What's the flow on this? 5 mil. Okay, not bad. You may see this lower to 40. That could be sweet actually if we see this lower to 40, because that would give us a better entry and possibly the curl we need. You know, stair stepping down, maybe one more leg down. No bounce. Shorts are hitting this thing so hard. Wow, totally missed this. Okay, let's see if we can get a nice dip here under 69. Under 70. There was quickly there. Bro, see this. Under 70 again. 70 seems to be holding. I have to eat a little loss here, maybe. 69, 68, 69 again. 69, 71. It's such a tricky stock, right? Because it moves this way, it moves like that. Oh, just have to commit to it, I guess. Once it started to, man, I went to eat. I haven't even, I went to make food, and this thing is just already up here again. Wow. I can't believe that. Gave a good gap and go here, it seems, and another one here. So two relatively good setups. One here, 79. Shorts are still in trouble. Shorts are still in trouble here. $65 is that low. What's this other low? 59. Hmm. Might be a retest. Could be late. Could be done already. Might be one more retest. Might be a dip. 70. What's it gonna be? $69. 70 continues to hold. 69, 68. This could be a terrible flush. Suicide flush. Elevator drop flush. 68 keeps bouncing though, keeps holding 68. Oh, 67. Flashing 67. Up all that gap. This was a trade here. Second time, not so much, honestly. One more leg. One more leg higher. It won't drop. So it's holding pretty strong. 68 again. Keeps holding 68. $68. $67. This could be a nasty flush. That's the only problem. Wow. Okay. Thinking it'll be a nasty flush. It actually holds. No trust in it whatsoever. It's this high 70. We try a gap and go here. It decides to pick up some volume. Nope. Almost tried it. 70 again. 70 hold. 70 has to hold. You're holding 70. Let's go. Now, 2. That should have gone there. It should have gone right there.
Let's make it start again.
69. Lots of buyers though. Oh, here we go. 69 again. Top of the gap.
We need later.
69 had so many buyers. Let's go. 72, 73. Come on. Top of the gap here. 74. Come on. Yeah, that sucks, dude. It really sucks. My timing and my reading this is not the best. This was here, happened too fast. Here it gave me the sense of a flush. Didn't trust it. Tried it here. Yeah, tried it here in the gap and go here. Here I tried top of the gap. It looks so 69 looks so strong. Looking for the push. We might actually see it. Let me try this again then. 72. 72 hold. 71 again. So we're at the highs, that's the problem. So we're going to see a massive flush here. What's this dip? 59. 65. 65 hold. 65 hold. No, 63, 59. Bro. Such a look at this. It's like so weird, right? Oh, I guess you form a W here. All right, I'm done with this. Oh, back to 65. All right, whatever. All right, here we go. So we're down 162. I'm not executing how I know how to execute. Granted, today was a very slow day, and I guess I'm just reflecting on the whole month. But yeah, that's a lot in commit. That's a lot in fees right there. Yeah, I'm just reflecting on the whole month. I think I'm not executing how I should be executing and taking the trades that I should be taking. Very little confidence in my setup. I know it works. I've done it before. I've done it with smaller size, right? I've done it where I've taken smaller size, less trades, and made it work. What's happening? I'm trading too much, I think. I'm trading way too much. Way too much again. So I try to trade less. And I did so successfully yesterday, today, but I need to trade even less than this. So I need to analyze more, read more, and trade less. That's what I need to do. And when I trade, I gotta commit with size. So at the beginning today, I was too eager to get a trade in, too overconfident, and didn't work too well. So I need to trade my strategy, and I need to do it more. Taking a lot of trades that well, I don't know. I have to review today because I do feel like I've traded things that I shouldn't have traded. Granted, the day was not great, so I have to review. It could be one of those days that it's just a day. The market was not there. That's the SPY. It's down, and there's nothing you can do. I mean, rejections. It's just going to be a red day no matter what. How hard you try, how well I could have traded it. It's still a red day, so it could have been one of those days. That's fine. I'm just kind of feeling bummed out for all these other red days. But I just gotta stay composed, stay committed. I know I can do well. I know I can do well. So anyway, we'll continue to trade. We'll do what we know how to do. And we'll be more committed. Beautiful trade right on the gap. And it works, it works. When it works well. So 10 cents right there. Beautiful. MOBX does not come into the gap. It goes up there. I try to do a gap and go there. Gap and go there. Into the gap. Loss. There was a trade here. I don't take it. Good. Could have been a good 1-2 cent bounce. Don't take that. SER gave me a lot of trouble today, so I tried it here, lost. Tried it here on a dip, rushed it, got out 16, held all the way down to 8, came back up to 16, and eventually bounced. So this gave an opportunity for me to get in again. Didn't do it. Let it go. Gap and go here. Nope. Off the lows. I think there was a gap here. Size down, not bad. Gap and go. Nope, not working. Off 20. Nope. On the gap. Didn't trust it. Honestly, I didn't trust it. I didn't trust it at all. It worked all the way to 25, but I honestly didn't trust it. I was already red on the day, and it's just that feeling that I just don't want to lose on something that sucks. Tried it here again. Dip. Yeah, it's a good 3 cents. Didn't trust it. 18, looking for the breakout. Taking it. Rejection. Didn't trust it. One more time, looking for that breakout. Flat. So these are good trades, to be honest. These are good trades. This is a good trade. Out, exit right there, 18 flat. Was looking for this. Oh man, that sucks because I do remember this once, twice, and I was looking at it and it just went. Was not able to catch it. I'm trying to do at the highs. I have no business at the highs. I don't know why I'm taking this at the highs. No business for me. That was a silly loss. Above the gap, no. Tried it, no. What else? Tried it here above the gap. Flat, no. Tried it here above the gap one more time. No. Ah. Frustrating. It was here. It was here. it was hitting 224, 25. I mean, I do remember saying this is going to do an algo squeeze, algo squeeze, algo squeeze, short squeeze, and it didn't happen. But I knew it was in there. I knew it was in here. I just had to be patient. It might not work here, and I have to accept the fact that it's not going to work here. If it's not, I got to just get out, you know, which I did, fine. And I got to look for it again right here. Perfect spot. All right. SUN took some big losses here. So dip on the gap, out for a small loss. Again, try it again, dip on the gap. Yeah, I rushed it. This is the beginning, my very first trades. I rushed it. I rushed it like I was crazy on it. I thought it would be a quick bounce because of the momentum. So out here, flat, trying it again, but got a high field 12, out some of it at 15 and the rest at 7. Thinking, yeah, this is not going to do it. Eventually does do it. Bounces a double bottom, rejects the gap, finds a double bottom at 204. I try to go for a gap and go here. So we were forming a gap in at 19, looking for the breakout, out 14, rejection. And just like that, with 2,000 shares, you can lose quite a bit of money. 171, 3 losses. One of these could have been avoided. Either this one or this one. If I just, I don't know, maybe I'm looking for perfection, something that it's not going to be there. I need to be more calm. Like if I get this one at 10, then yeah, that's my gap. And I wait for the rejection at 7 and so be it, you know? Stop at 7. Stop at 7 and stop at 7. That's all there is, right? Goes as low as 4, comes back. I just gotta be in it, you know? I just gotta be in it. It is what it is. So yeah. I have to consider what is it that I did these days. Like January 14th. Penny stock. Not many trades. 400 trades, 200, 10, 20 shares, 200 shares, 1,000. I was just doing it, you know? Gap and go, held all the way down to 89. Sold. Fabulous. Gap and go again. Broke the gap, sold. I mean, gap held, even held all the way down to here. 200 shares though. That's how I got myself to hold this thing. Into the gap, 1,000 shares. Out, out, out. Interesting. Anyway, trading is difficult. It is difficult to trade. And I'm on my journey to master it. I know I'll finish the month green, but the key is to understand. The key is for me to take it to the next level with bigger size and find that consistency. You know? I can stay consistently green, I can be profitable, but the key is
the big numbers, right? The big numbers, the big numbers. All right. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, but come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Free trading analysis tool. Select the broker, add your file. 100% free, no signups, data never stored, instant results, right? Check out our features. We have lots of features. Join us for 5 months, $50 a year, the most affordable trading analytics platform out there. Trust me, for what you get, it's the best price. No one can compete with these prices. Come over to Discord. Check us out on Discord. If you have any questions, need help with the platform or anything in general, just let me know in Discord. Take advantage of this free month, so come check it out. All right, see you tomorrow for the last day of the week. Is it? Is it the last day of the week tomorrow? Yep, tomorrow is the last day.